Hi everyone, welcome to BI Bytes with Rima. So today we are going to learn about search functionality within Slicer. There have been a situation where you or maybe your users might have faced issue where they got a slicer with lot many values and they are doing endless scrolling in order to find a particular value. So like here I have customer name with so many values. I wanted to look for Jordan Davis, but it gonna become tough for me to find that in few seconds. So to avoid situation like this, what we do is click on this right corner three dots, which is known as eclipse. Click on this one, then click on search. It will bring this search function for you, and now you can look for any value you wanted to check. So suppose I wanted to look for Jordan Davis and I got the one. So that's how you enable search box. And if you want to disable it, just follow the same step, click on search again and it will disable it. This is the first way to do it. Second, the quickest way would be click on the search, this slicer, and then press Ctrl F. If you press Ctrl F, you will find the search box here, and in order to disable it again, just do Ctrl F again. It is advisable to have search function already in your report because it makes it very clean and efficient. And once you have it in your report, just publish it so that your user can see it as well. So for videos like this, please subscribe my channel and I'll see you in the next. Thank you.